Let's do this. Alright, so I am off work, and I'm going to go ahead and head over to Chris's house, because we're going to go to the store and get some food. That's what I'm digging. Let's do it. Yeah, it doesn't sound that bad.
Yeah, it does.
Alright. And now we're at the blurry Top Food and Drug.
The blurry?
Yeah, it was blurry. Now it's focused. These are so good. Candy corn and pumpkins. That's what I'm talking about right there. Candy corn and pumpkin.
Missed the spot.
Oh. Fish. Fish. Fish.
Not much.
Clams. 4.64 pounds. 4.25 pounds. Get the most heaviest.
4.64 and 4.57.
Oh.
The closest.
There's 4.96 up there.
Yeah, but the free one's going to be the lesser of the two.
Oh, really?
So, closer the weights we can get.
Oh, that makes sense.
A 4.64 and a 4.69 I saw.
Hey, you're the butcher, not me.
But that, I don't like that. I like these two.
Oh, this is
You
buy
think
one
that's
get
gonna
one
be
free.
What?
What?
Do you think that'll be enough for
Oh.
5 people? 5 adults?
Who all's gonna be there?
You, me, Sharon, Janice, possibly Kate.
Oh,
Three
she's always
kids.
possibly.
And 3 kids.
That should be more than enough then. What is that? That's almost 10 pounds worth of meat.
Oh, and then Janice is gonna make, I think,
She's gonna make the easiest thing possible. For one.
are you posting this online?
She doesn't watch my vlogs.
He said it, not me.
Huh?
She said she's gonna make a potato or a macaroni salad. Sharon might bring leftovers from the baby shower table.
Baby shower leftovers.
I'm kind of the one cooking since we're together, kind of.
Are you gonna smoke them?
I'm not sure.
We're gonna try some of my JR's barbecue on. Boy, that's what I want to do again, right over here.
That's what I make little pork with.
There's just always been something unappealing about a wine called Barefoot.
Oh, you want to see something really cool?
Ah. Cool. Oh, dude. Are you gonna blow that up with your face?
No, it's not here right now.
Oh, darn it.
Wine and beer area.
I'm just saying, Barefoot wine. It's like foot juice in that bottle. That's what it reminds me of. Foot juice.
With juice.
Yeah. Kind of like foot fungi. Fungi. There's more than one kind. This is not happening. Boneless ribs and strawberry quick.
What's important is we capitalize on this sale.
Do it.
Do it. Okay. So I was trying to look you up on Facebook so I could see if your birthday was listed on there, and I started typing in Rocket Punch. I don't know. Did my name come up? Nope. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna change my name to Rocket Punch. Doesn't have your doesn't even have your birthday listed on here. Oh, I didn't put my birthday on the internet? God, what's wrong with me? It really doesn't surprise me. Another shooting. You know, a PC, what mommies and daddies used to play games. What?
Isn't that funny?
Adam on the Lake, that's your name on Twitter?
Yeah.
I am announcing
See
that
my
I no
Twitter
longer give
account
a-
from. How did you do that?
If you link
I
your
don't know.
Facebook and your Twitter, I can see your Twitter posts.
Like I did.
No Dino Beat Down.
Oh, I love that game. We should play that next.
I don't know if I'll have time for more than one game.
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude, 4-string, 4-stem leather belt. Oh, wait.
I just want to go on record and say I'm vlogging right now, so you know.
Vlogging. Are you a popular vlogist?
I wouldn't say popular.
Do you have a cult following on the internet? Like Felicia Day?
No, not like Felicia Day.
Are you an internet superstar?
Almost.
Weren't we talking about barbecue chicken the other day?
Wait a minute. Skinless ribs? What? Ooh. Excuse me.
Oh, we're gonna have some ribs and strawberry quick.
You still updating?
Yeah.
Maybe if you weren't torrenting so much.
I'm not right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's only 4 days into the month and I've used about 120 gigabytes, so I'm good.
Can I sneak?
I only finished last month at 920 gigabytes. I didn't reach my 1 terabyte goal.
Your face is a 1 terabyte goal.
I try.
Ooh.
It's very shallow and pedantic of you.
I was avoiding it as much as I could.
Oh, I'm applying patches, so yeah.
That means you have a leak.
Among other things, yes. Well, I say, all in all, not too bad of a day, but I'm going to go ahead and head to bed. It's still pretty early, but I'm just dog tired. You know, video games, work, tired. I'm going to go ahead and head to bed, and we'll see what tomorrow has in store for us. Good night.
How long?